morning, bright and early this morning. Just making our sandwiches, getting ready to head out. Today's gonna be full truck. Have my father-in-law, brother-in-law, and nephew coming with Brody and I check traps today, so I'm not sure how much filming we'll do, but hopefully we catch something so I can film something. So stay tuned and we'll see how this week turns out.
So we can hear something in the chain up here. So Brody's gonna go check it out. So here we go. Okay, it's not in the first trap, so you can go down. Something set off the first trap. Go down over here. I can see the chains tight. They're just caught in and out. Go over here. Over here, bro. Come over here. See the drag on the other side? Keep going. Over here.
Yeah?
Let's check out. Tell me what it is.
Bobcat!
Bobcat! Oh, Bobcat, bro!
Yeah!
Hey! Sweet.
First trap.
First spot, we got a Bobcat. Let's go check it out. Check it out.
Oh, there's a mouse right there. Oh, I know.
Nice. Go, come check it out.
I don't want it to kill
Ashton's
us.
first time seeing a Bobcat. Come check it out, bro.
I don't want it to kill us.
It won't kill you.
Good luck. Where's your Ash? What's up?
Okay, bro, go stand right here.
Oh, Bobcat!
Come stand right here, bro.
Oh,
Stand right here so I can get you. Oh, I'll take your picture right here. Sweet. Get more video in a second. What do we got, bro?
We got something.
What does it look like? Like a kit fox? Caught a kit fox in this cubby set that we set for bobcats. It's the little guy. So cool. I had a cubby set right here, and figured I'd either catch a kit fox because it's in this wash, and kit fox tend to like it. So they're happy Ashton's signaling to his grandpa, who is my father-in-law, that we caught something. So take care of this guy, rebuild this cubby set right here. And then we got a coyote set over on the other side of the truck there. Okay, so we caught a kit fox here Tuesday. So let's see if we got another one. I guess last Saturday we did. So we might have another kit fox, but nothing's jumping. Normally a good sign, hun, go. Walk around. It's hooked onto this Joshua tree. Walk around. Oh no, it moved it straight. There's the other kit fox. So normally when we catch a kit fox, we'll catch a second one. So here's kit fox number 2. At this spot, number 2 from the day. It's smaller than our last one we caught today. Neato, bud. 2 fox, huh? 2 fox and a bobcat so far. All right, we're midweek trap check now. So these have been sitting for a few days. I just got out here. I got out here way late today, way later than I thought I would. So it's gonna be a long night. Just gonna try to get one new set in over by the big toilet down in the wash below it, just in case I miss any cats above, or in case they're traveling different spots. So I'm gonna find a spot to set up real quick, and then we're gonna get out and start checking. And like I said, it's gonna be a late one tonight. So that big toilet I set a while ago is right up there. So I found the first turds. Just came walking around this corner to find a spot. We got dark cat turds. We got all colors of cat turds. So I'm gonna look around a little bit longer and then put a set out somewhere. All right, so here's the remake. My MB550, got some of my homemade lure. I'm actually out of Chini's. I use a lot of Chini signature scents. So Need to get some more. Got some beaver castor I poured on that, some tincture I made, some of the turds from the toilet, some more turds from the toilet, polyfill. So that's ready. All right, that was a very rough trap check. Checked everything and absolutely nothing. So I still have a lot of hope on one half of the line, but this back half of the line I might pull it in a week. Might give it a week and a half. Just gotta find somewhere else to put them that's in the general area so I don't have to pull the other side. This side I got one hill that has a bunch of sign. Everything else is pretty dead, and all I've got is a couple kit fox. So not a fun night check. It's pretty late right now, but the good news is I can go home, shower, and go to bed. I don't have to skin anything. So hopefully Saturday's better, but thanks for watching.